You had a guy in his 60s that was teaching like landscape gardening, like Zen gardening, like how to do all the little patterns and stuff in his garden that people could replicate. One of my favorites is a lady that she works with like animals and stuff, and she wanted to teach her students how to care for their animals with herbs. Like any animals that are like sick or for longevity reasons, she teaches what herbs treat what ailments for pets or dogs, horses, cats, and she does very well. She does like six figures a year teaching teaching this process to animal lovers. Like if you have a dog versus going to the vet and getting all the stuff, or if they're aging, here's some herbal options that they can take that's going to help them now and help them in the future.